Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by turning the negative power into a reciprocal. First, recognize n equals 1 divided by a n. This is the core conversion. Once you flip the base to the denominator, simplify the exponent as usual. Calculate a n. Make sure to treat fractions carefully. If the base is a fraction, invert the fraction and raise to the positive power. You now have a standard positive exponent problem ready for straightforward evaluation. Once done with single numbers, apply the same rule to fractions and variables. You swap numerator and denominator for p/q, and so it becomes q/p, n, then raise each part to the positive exponent. This preserves the structure. When variables appear, treat them identically. x2 becomes 1 over x2, and you must watch for 0 in denominators. Also, distribute powers across products and quotients. Before simplifying to avoid, you finish by reducing any common factors and simplifying numeric results. Cancel when possible to make the expression neat. Then check the domain and ensure you did not divide by 0. This is a common pitfall. If the result looks off, go back, reinvert the negative exponent to confirm you flipped correctly, and recompute the positive exponent step by step. This double check typically uncovers algebra slips and fixes the answer quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.